In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo in Fotor and download your final image. We'll move step by step so you can follow along easily. First, open your browser and head to Fotor.com. Using a modern browser helps the editor run smoothly, and it's a good idea to bookmark the site if you'll be returning often. Once you're on the homepage, log in and choose your account. If you manage more than one profile or workspace, make sure you select the one where you want your project saved. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the hub for starting new work or picking up where you left off. From here, decide whether to create a new project or go to your library to access previous projects. Choose a new project if you're starting fresh with a new image. If you've been working on something already, open the library to continue editing an existing file. Keeping projects organized by folders or clear names makes them easier to find later. Next, upload your image. You can drag and drop it into the editor or use the upload button to browse your computer. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For best results, start with the highest resolution image you have, as it gives you more flexibility when adjusting and exporting. Now it's time to edit. Use the editor's tools to make thoughtful adjustments to color, lighting, and background. For color, try fine-tuning saturation, vibrance, and temperature to correct any color cast and make your image pop without overdoing it. For lighting, adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to balance brightness and recover detail. Small, incremental changes usually look more natural. If your photo needs a background change, use the background tools to remove or replace it. Clean up edges by zooming in and refining the selection so your subject looks crisp. Throughout your edit, take advantage of the preview and undo options to compare before and after and roll back anything you don't love. When you're satisfied, do a quick final pass to ensure skin tones look natural, whites aren't blown out, and blacks aren't crushed. When everything looks right, download your final image. Choose the format and quality settings that match your goal. Use JPG for general sharing and a lower file size, or PNG if you need transparency after removing the background. Give the file a clear name and save it to a folder you'll remember. That's it, you've gone from opening Fotor to exporting a polished image, all in a clean, repeatable workflow.